Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look and to also kind of talk about what's been going on, my hair, and just things in general. I haven't done a video, I think it's been like a month since I've done a video, but so much has changed. Again, it's life, that happens. But anyways, if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so to start off this look, I'm going to be taking this brown shade from the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia to fill in my brows. So normally I use the Anastasia brow powder, but I just ran out, and honestly, in my opinion, I feel like an eyeshadow would work just as well as it has been. So I already did my foundation. I will leave all that stuff down below in the description box if you are interested. So as you can tell, I dyed my hair. Well, I guess bleached it is more like it. And then I messed up right here. Don't worry, nothing that concealer can't fix. So anyway, I went and bleached my hair. I just felt like I needed something different, something new. So I thought, I haven't had light hair in such a long time. I always do my hair super dark. As you can tell, my eyebrows probably gonna stay dark. I'm not gonna go really much lighter. I just don't like the way it looks on me. So anyway, I went and bleached my hair. It's still in that very awkward phase. As you can tell, my roots kind of picked up a lot better than the ends did. But all in all, I think in 3 sessions, it did pretty darn well from going this light from black. And I mean pitch black. So anyway, moving along, that's just one of the new things. Oh, and I also tried out lash extensions. I'm sure you can tell. Don't mind them. I kind of already need a fill. I'm absolutely terrible with false lashes. So I'm taking this clear brow gel by Anastasia to help set the eyebrows and keep them in place. And then I also go in with another brow gel, but this one's colored. And it's just a brown. And that just really locks in your eyebrows and they will not go anywhere. So now I'm taking these 2 shades and I'm applying them all over my eyelid, fixing my lids to make sure there's no creases. So I've been obsessed with lash extensions lately. I can't live without them. And it's so weird because I've only really ever trusted one other person to do my lashes, and she did fantastic, that I was kind of scared to go into anybody else just because not everybody knows how I guess you like them personally. But this new girl that I've gone to is amazing. So I just took a big fluffy blending brush and kind of just blended it all over, and then I'm using the same shades and applying it underneath. So I just think these natural kind of neutral colors overall just look really good with lighter hair. I try not to go too heavy on eyeshadow and colors and things like that since my hair is lighter. So now I'm just taking this Stila liquid liner in black and just applying it. So I'm sorry that I kind of had to do a voiceover for this video. I didn't really want to, but I just wanted to get a video up for you guys and kind of get through it a little bit quicker just because I did my makeup before work. Also, please don't mind my hair. It's a mess. Actually, I'm at work right now while I'm doing this voiceover. Then I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm just going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyes just to add some dimension so it's not just flat out one whole color without any definition. I just feel like that, for me personally, looks good with my eye shape. So for bronzer, I'm going to be taking this bronzer by Anastasia. I'm not exactly sure off the top of my head what shade it is, but like I said, I leave all that stuff in the description box if you are interested to know. I'm not sure what brush this is, but I'm kind of like a all-in-one type of gal. I don't really use all kinds of different brushes and stuff like that. I make one work for like 5 different things. Then I'm taking that same bronzer and kind of contouring my nose just a little bit, and the excess powder I'm going to be dusting off, so if there's any harsh lines, that'll help. And then there's me just looking for my lip liner, which I can't find, so I ended up just using a lip liner that I really didn't want to use, but then I went and put not eyeshadow, highlight first. So I just took those 2 shimmer shades from the palette and applied it in the inner corner, under my brows, and the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Okay, now I just decide to use that shade for my lips. This is the NYX lip liner. I believe it's in Coffee Bean. I might be wrong, but I think that's what it is. Then I'm taking the Anastasia lipstick in Coconut, which is one of my favorite lipsticks ever. Her lipsticks are so creamy. They're so nice. I highly recommend. I did get the minis because I wanted to test it out first before I just went and spent over $20 on a lipstick. But anyway, this is the end result. Like I said, don't mind my hair. It's super crazy. And it's going through a process, and I'm still not exactly sure what I want to do with it. I don't know if I want to go lighter, darker, but we shall see. And that's the final look. Alright guys, so that is the end of that video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave some suggestions. Just let me know what you guys want to see. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.